As long as you guys are able to hear me correctly, then that should be most adequately fantastic. Anyways, so yeah, hey all, hope you're all having a mighty great one today, as I have been getting around to doing some things like having a nice, decent, cleansing enough shower this morning in my auntie's bathroom, and that was rather satisfactorily and very polishing for, you know, the super grandiose thing that is your body. That was quite a pull. Anyways, as long as you guys have also been treated with a fairly, you know, lovely day yourselves, then that's just great. And exactly what you strive for all time. Anyways, I know that the point of the video was to show off this prime flavored drink, which I've yet to analyze whether it's a certain watery, like fizzy, obviously not fizzy, or is it? I don't see any bubbles, except from that. Do I see any bubbles now? No, I don't see any bub. Anyway, so but yeah, this has 10% of coconut water. Sorry, let me correct myself. 250 milligrams of BCAAs. What the hell? I'm gonna look that up right now if you guys don't mind. I will still be present on the camp course, so give me some time, would you? I guess there's no point. I guess I could check my phone. Why didn't I do that beforehand? Okay. Okay, so what this means, BCAA, it stands for branched chain amino acid. So that answers that curious question. Oh, it's 10 cents, by the way. How great. Okay, great. So moving forwards, B vitamin. That's what I need. That's what everyone needs if they're having such a difficult time trying to, you know, recap, trying to keep their mind intact, make sure that you're focused solely on things that are very productive for one's time, and, you know, keeps your mind hyperactive too. All that activity is definitely, you know, certainly is needing to be delivered, and this is that deliverance. But only if you're good and on your best behaviour and you work hard for your money, which I don't, because I'm a homebody. But I do my best to get around, you know, trying to help out in any way I possibly am able to. Antioxidants, okay, I see berries as the picture. 834 milligrams of electrolytes. Again, I really hope that this is not caffeinated, otherwise I wouldn't bother drinking this, and this whole entire, you know, self-recording of mine would completely be terminated. Just saying. But Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function, with bold, thirst quenching flavors to help you refresh, replenish, and refuel. Prime is the perfect boost for every endeavor. We're confident you'll love it as much as we do. Humbly, the Prime team. That remains to be seen, my friends. Heard and tasted. And I'm sure all three of those will be met with both eagerness as well as intrigue. Okay, Metamoon flavor, prime, which I have never in my life had, but I'm going to give this a very nice, subtle, yet dignifyingly easygoing review. Because if I hate it, then I obviously promise to not afford another out of I or anyone else's dough. Okay, man, let's shut up about how kino your hair looks, because it just isn't really that appealing in some format or another. But hey, I'm not here to criticize our hairstyles tonight. We are here to test out this very, very ecstatically casual drink, Metamoon. Okay then, well, armed and fully perhaps that was a bad mistake, because I was fucking wow, that is quite strong, like cordial, without the use of over a cup of water. You must always insert the correct amount and not overfill it or add less than you're permitted to, in order to get a nice, thrilling texture of that nice pine lime cordial flavour. I don't know, just as an example. Okay, yeah, that was my overall thoughts about the Prime Metamoon drink, and I honestly believe it's quite, you know, pungent. Very desiring when needed. Definitely not thoroughly needed on a hot summer ass period, okay? Anyways, thanks for hearing my input. Thanks so much for relaxing and sitting back on the chair or on your bed, wherever you may be comfortably seated or lying down against. Thanks for tuning in. Now, appalling fucking manners. Deeply apologetic. Pardon me. All in all, I really did have a nice replenishing. Thank you guys for tuning in to this third entry in my you know, snack, treat, dessert, beverage, like review, like touching upon, you know, your basic generic food topics and whatnot, and what your whole entire commentary about them, and if they're worth getting to the person. And oh, by the way, you're waiting for the reviews in regards to what I would rate this drink, then my answer to you guys is an 8.1. I mean, totally apologetic. Again, apologetic. Yeah, it man, my goodness, it hit me with a punchy feeling in the first couple of sips that I had this, and that was totally unanticipated, but I still liked it somewhat. Will I get this again? Perhaps, but not this year. This is one of those drinks that you would have like rarely, you know? At least for me. Everyone's different. You guys, if you like having this, to each their own, have this every bloody week if you want. It's up to you, my man. But yeah, this is nice. Good flavour. You know, I like it. Meanwhile, you guys have a nice, you know, warm time or slightly cool time yourselves. Yeah, thanks for once again, you know, coming across this recording of me, and yeah, totally thankful. Anyways, bye now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and sleep very thoroughly, nicely well, and I'll catch you in the next one. That was terrible. Hold on. That'll do. Bye, guys.